Hello, my name is Wayne Parker. I own and operate a fishing tackle business located here in Salem, Oregon. We're here today to show you how to put a GDF quick release on a short bus flasher. Okay, first of all, you look at the hardware on the short bus, and it's the same on the top as the bottom. This with the fins being the bottom. This is the top, go to your pole, and we'll consider this the top. Okay, the back and top. Top, top and bottom. We'll get it right yet. So, first of all, we need to remove that bottom ball bearing swivel. Pretty simple. Just, if your fingers are strong enough, you can do it, or if you want to use a pair of pliers, you can do that also. Remove this. Take your swivel, ball bearing swivel off, and use it for something else. Put this dual lock right back on the way you took it off. Then we'll take a GDF quick release and see if we can get it attached properly. Remember, this is the bottom where the fins are. This is where the body of a quick release goes, is on the bottom. So simply, exactly where the ball bearing swivel was, this is a side wash, pinch that on, just like you would a side wash hook. Okay, now that's on there. So on the top, remember, this is bottom, this is top. You take, and we have two different connectors up here. One is a split ring, and one is a dual lock. And the reason for the two separate pieces is they fit more than one flasher, and one flash, and the spacing difference from here to here makes up the difference. So this is why we have two connectors on it. So with a short bus, we use the black clip, so called a dual lock. So we'll remove the split ring and put it with our ball bearing swivel and use it for something else. So then we'll open up this dual lock, it's supposed to be pretty simple. It is if you hold your breath right. And we will put it on the top. Make sure it goes on the top here, the surface, not the bottom, the top. So you hook it right in the bottom of your dual lock. Now here's an important point. When you close this dual lock up, don't go just that part. Well, I did that wrong. When you hook it up, a lot of people will just hook it up right there, that first one. That is wrong. That is not strong at all. You need to hook it up on the top bar, and now that's strong. See, it doesn't stick out here. Okay, we're almost done. So the way this thing works is, you're fishing through the water, fish hits it, bang, you're directly on the fish in the box. Catch ratio will definitely go up using the quick release, breaking away from the flasher pulling. A couple more points about the flasher. The GDF quick release is adjustable. The pressure that it releases that, there's a Phillips screw, and you turn it clockwise to tighten it up and counterclockwise to loosen it. Doesn't take much, and the setting will stay there for a long period of time. Once you get it where you want it and you feel comfortable, forget it. It'll stay right there. Another thing is, you want this wire cable to be on the top, and so when you lay this in the water, you want to make sure everything is laid out straight with the flasher. Don't just throw it in, because if this goes in, you throw it in, it's going to hook back here, and the flasher probably won't turn right anyway, and you'll be able to tell it, but for sure it won't release. So you're in the water fishing, got your fingers crossed, boom, you got a fish. So if you have any question at all about GDF quick release, you can go to the video. It'll be on our website, www.gooddayfishing.com, or if you want to talk about it, give me a call on my cell phone, 503-428-8077, and we'll see you on the water.